2 buttons, lock and unlock. Brand new OI replacement, the GM recommended replacement for your original keyless entry remote. Battery included with the remote. Programming this remote requires a scan tool and a qualified technician. See your local GM dealer or ACDelco service center. ACDelco GM Original Equipment 2-button keyless entry remote is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's keyless entry remote. Simple 2-button designed to lock and unlock your GM vehicle. Batteries are included. These original equipment keyless entry remotes have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. Works as advertised, super easy to program. Took longer to walk out to my truck and locate that than it did to do the actual programming.